Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Down at the Unit. So in this episode I'll be refitting my 6-speed gearbox, replacing a drive shaft boot and creating brackets for the front mount intercooler, and also realigning the piping so it's in the right position and everything's flush. Let's get into it. Looks exactly the same as the Starbucks one. Could probably reuse that at some point. Take off the boot. You have to squeeze these two. Well, if you can see down here, that is hanging on a little ball joint, well, a little ball. So you have to undo these so it comes loose from the ball. Oh, that clip. It should just be a case of pulling it. And then yeah, see, once off that ball, it's all good. The forks are pretty much identical. I don't want to do it because I know this is a decent release bearing. So yeah, I'll put that back on. Put a bit of grease in the bottom there, and get that key, get them clamped back on. I believe the trick is you put that in first and get the release bearing on top. You clip. Once you got the release bearing back on, it's just getting these two over the back and then clipping them. You'll see. Yep, the box is now in. Oh, what a ball ache. All this is just spin it around, get the back bracket on, put the front one back on, and then it's pretty much good to go. So the hard part is to get this bracket, this bolt on to the bottom bracket. Always good fun. Usually I line that up first, and then get the other bracket at the top. Ta-da! Gearbox back on. So I've just tightened the lower ball joint bolt and nuts. Bolt and nut, sorry. So that's all on. And the drive shaft is pushed back in. As you can see, it only goes in one. You have to give it a good clunk and it goes in, and there's the nut for the CV joint. That is on. There should be a circlip with a little nut over the top on this side, but it doesn't seem to be one. So it is what it is. So right, yeah, there's enough of a gap for the bumper to sit in and also to sit flush, and the intercooler's nice and that's bloody solid. So yeah, that's the intercooler. So, conclusion. I need to get some more aluminium piping. I need to get more of a degree of a bend because it doesn't quite sit right. As you can see where the piping goes down, I can't quite get the for it to sit nice and flush with the bumper. This pipe's going to go all the way around underneath, and it fits, slots in just behind here. And obviously, well, with it coming forward, it'll have to sit a bit. At the moment, that's my problem. So we need to get a shorter degree bend, and maybe a longer pipe, and it'll just fit. But yeah, once that's on, it'll be good to go. Right, so gonna leave this episode here. Well, it turns out I need to get some more aluminium intercooler pipe in to create a bit more of a bend so that I can get the intercooler piping to sit flush. Once that's done, put the radio back on, fluids, and just good to go, I think. Probably get some thin steel and just plate up what I've cut out so there's not a big hole and it doesn't lose its strength. But until the next episode, guys, take it easy and I'll see you in the next one.